Okay. So,
Junge,
to fill up water in the wooden boat because the boat is too long.
wow. Ja,
Too long out of the water. I need the
nice.
water to run again. Good.
Ja.
Say hello. Long time. And one more. The famous captain.
Captain J. Farrell.
Yeah. That's interesting, huh?
Yeah.
Bring in water in a ship. Thank you. Captain Jack.
Yes, sir.
If the leaking is over, then it's okay, or what is the
Yeah,
sign?
then it's no problem. But
Oh,
the boat
cool.
the boat stay here 7 days,
Okay,
and it's big temperature,
yeah.
and the wood working, you know.
Yeah.
Now we must put the water inside.
Cool.
When we put the boat tomorrow morning in the water,
Yeah,
then we have no problem.
cool. One more song, come on.
Fly me to the moon and let me sing forevermore. Let me be the one who shows the rocket, moon, Mars, and Venera with my pencil too. I wish you good day. Oh baby, come to Islando Park and find me.
Yeah, and setting up the not really home